In this video, we'll explore the drill hole automation feature of the design to manufacturing software, a feature used to output a report of drill hole sizes and placements. The software design follows the tried and true Windows application style. It has a familiar user interface starting with the menu bar containing essential functions. Multiple rows of drill hole series can be defined on the device, but this example will only use one. The first value defines the distance to the center of the first hole from the left edge for horizontal devices and the top edge for vertical devices. The distance value defines the spacing between each drill hole center. The distance must be a multiple of the elongated hole grid value. The radius value defines the radius of the drill hole. The last value defines the minimum distance required from the center of the last drill hole to the end of the device, placing the drill hole in the nearest elongated hole grid position. The offset value defines the positive or negative offset of the drill hole series from the centerline of the device. The elongated hole grid value defines the spacing of the elongated holes in the device, and the spacing of the drill holes must align with the spacing pattern. The threaded hole checkbox defines if the hole will be threaded or not. Once the drill hole definition has been applied, red preview circles of the drill hole definition will now be shown on the cable ducts and mounting rails. The settings can be applied differently per device. Now we will generate a hole chart for the designed backplate. The tool allows options to specify a desired sheet size and the name of the output. The report will show a view of the backplate with a chart numbering each drill hole and the necessary information to add these holes to the backplate during production.